All right, this was 2 sticks of butter that we melted. Now we're gonna add our butter cookies into our butter. And I have my meat masher, and we're just crushing up all of those butter cookies in our tin. This is the easiest holiday dessert. Yummy. And we're gonna crush this until we get a nice little butter cookie crust on the bottom of our tin. All right, now that we have this all patted down, we can remove this from the heat. All right, we have our crushed up butter cookies that we're gonna put to the side. And I'm gonna come in with a bowl and a whisk. This is just a medium bowl. And I have here the No Bake Jello Classic Cheesecake. I love this stuff, it tastes amazing. And we're only gonna use the filling mix today. And we're gonna use that whole packet. Oh my, this is gonna be so good. Now the recipe does call for milk, but we are gonna add a seasonal twist to this, and we're gonna use eggnog. Ooh. Yep, so we're gonna add 1.5 cups of eggnog to our cheesecake mixture. So we're gonna have a eggnog cheesecake. Does that look right?
That looks good, yeah, that's 1.5.
All right, and we're gonna pour that in there. Oh my goodness, I've never done this before, but I think it's gonna be delicious.
I love eggnog.
All right, and we're gonna mix that together until it is well combined. It's gonna be a little bit thicker than the normal cheesecake mixture because eggnog is thicker, but it's gonna taste so festive, so fun. It's gonna be a great little holiday no-bake dessert that everyone will love. Now I did use 2 sticks of butter for my crust, but if you don't want that much butter, I recommend just using 1 stick. But now we are ready to add our cheesecake to that crust, all in our butter cookie tin. Isn't that awesome?
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited.
Okay, we're gonna bring that back in and we're gonna pour our cheesecake right on top. Oh my eggnog cheesecake. Let me get a spatula. And we're gonna make sure to get all of that out. Oh my goodness, okay. I need to turn this towards me. All of that goodness out. Give it a nice little shimmy. And then we are gonna go ahead and put our lid on and pop this in the fridge. All right, it was in the fridge for 1 hour and it is completely set. Oh, that looks so good. To finish this off, we're gonna add some Ready Whip, just little dollops. And then I have some extra cookies that we can just kind of place right in there so everyone knows what they're eating. How cute is that? But it's time to get a slice. We gotta make sure we can cut all the way through to that buttery cookie crust. Oh. All right, we had to get a little spatula, rubber spatula to get underneath there, but that looks so good. Oh my. Oh, Christmas came early. Butter cookie crust, eggnog cheesecake. Oh.
Is it good?
This is gonna be my new favorite cheesecake. It's so good.